Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Just a short video just to show you what I've just recently purchased and installed into the Honda CRV. Well, as you can see, the original radio single DIN has been pulled out with the fascia. There's the original fascia. So we took that out, and there's the original radio. So yeah, Honda radio that was installed at the factory when this vehicle was built. And we've actually installed what we call a Android CarPlay. Now, this is actually a 10-inch screen, so obviously it had to come with the new fascia. This fascia just suits a standard double DIN, so it wouldn't have fitted. It was actually quite an easy install. As you can see, just two little screws under there, and you know, it's got the clips all around, and yeah, you just pull it straight out, and you then undo the 4 screws. You can see 4 holes there, and yeah, then just unplug the wiring, and she comes out pretty easily. And then it's just basically a repeat of the removal. So the actual fascia, as you can see, it sits in there. It's actually a really good fit. And you got to take out obviously the hazard lights and the 2 vents here. They actually come out. There's actually screws behind this fascia. I don't know if you can see them in this one here. You may be able to see the little screw holes, but yeah, anyway, so that's what we've got. So it's now a great little system that I've got installed. I'm pretty happy with it. It's got all the standard apps that you would get, you know, Google, all the standard other apps that we find, like, you know, your Google Maps, Play Store, YouTube. Exactly. This is currently not connected to my Bluetooth, so you know it won't. You won't see the connection happening. But yeah, look, it's a great little system. I'm really happy with it. It really doesn't. Obviously, it does enhance the interior of the car. It's a little bit bright at night. Still getting used to the settings. There's all these different settings that you can actually go to. You can just see them there. You may not be able to. Obviously the home screen, back to here. This is a great little Here We Go app. It may not load. Car's actually sitting in the garage, but I actually downloaded the apps. Sorry, the maps. Oh yeah, there we go. And this is an offline mapping system. It's called Here We Go, and yeah, it's pretty good. So you don't actually have to be connected to the internet, but it's pretty handy. It actually shows the speed of the car as we're traveling along. Obviously music. If I hit the radio there, that'll go to one of my preset radio stations. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the new little system that I've put in. I'm pretty happy with it, and as I said, it really does enhance the interior of the vehicle. Previously, I think I've shown you guys the install of the CB radio. That's it there, and I've just got another little 3-way with a USB connection that I can plug other apps, other systems into it. Little microphone just sits there. But yeah, so anyway, so as I said, pretty happy for it. Got it off eBay. It was $150, would you believe? That included the actual fascia. So I was pretty happy with that. So we'll see how we go. Obviously, being a Chinese brand, I'm not too sure how long this thing will last. Hence, that's why I've kept those pieces just in case this packs up. But at the moment, it's working beautifully. So yeah, as I said, pretty happy with it. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.